My hair was falling out a lot. I thought it was falling out from the root. Tony's basically told me it was breaking off, and I think I've gone through a couple of colorists that were using some very bad products, and he did a collagen treatment and a lipid treatment, and in one time I could see the difference. It's my second time here. Last time I came for the collagen and the lipid, and then today I came for a full head of highlights and the color. I think he's fabulous. He's got a winning personality. He inspires confidence.